Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. If you're looking for that everyday cardigan that's gonna add instant sophistication to your look and something you'll be wearing all 4 seasons, you have got to check out this hooded cardigan from Alpine Cashmere. It is 100% cashmere, very high quality, so I feel like it's something that I'm gonna own for a lifetime. So I've been wearing this cardigan nonstop. Mostly I've been wearing it over jeans and a t-shirt walking my dog, and where I live it's a little bit chilly, so it adds that perfect amount of warmth. But because cashmere is a natural breathable fiber, I can wear this cardigan all year long. So I was even thinking in the summer, I could definitely wear it over like a bathing suit and shorts for those evenings when there's a little bit of a chill in the air. But this cardigan I've been wearing all the time. I've even wearing it over leggings and a t-shirt on my way to the gym. And I've even dressed it up. So this cardigan looks so cute with a pencil skirt going to the office. You can even wear it over a dress, which I have multiple times. I just love that this cardigan is so versatile and so well made. I love the design of it as well. It's mostly, I wear it mostly open, so it has a really nice flowy quality to it. It doesn't feel too restrictive at all, but you can also tie it in the front just to give it a little bit more of a casual look. It has a fully functional hood, which is amazing. It can fit any size head, including mine. But I just love that this piece is something that I keep reaching for. I'm wearing a size medium and I'm 150 pounds, I'm 5'4". I love the where it hits me on my body. I love how open and flowy it is. It's so comfortable. I feel like this is a great investment piece. It's a good gift for any friend. And in 2020, it was named one of Oprah Winfrey's favorite things ever. So if it's good enough for Oprah, it's good enough for me. But that's just my point of view.